The good news about Jesus according to Luke chapter 4 from verse 1 to verse 13. After Jesus get baptized, the Holy Spirit take control of him and make him go in the desert. Him did that for 40 days, and for the whole time, the devil try hard to make him do wrong. No, Jesus did hungry bad, cause for the 40 days, he never nothing. The devil said to Jesus, if you are God boy pitney, tell the rock stone here to turn bread. Jesus answer, it right down in a God word say, man no live pan bread one. The devil carried Jesus up a one tall place, and before he could have quint so, him show him all the country them in the world. Him tell Jesus say, me will give you power over all of them country and all of the nice sitting will come with them. Cause me get them and me can get anybody me want. If you worship me, all I for you. And Jesus answered him, it right down say, you fi worship the Lord where your God, and a him one you fi serve. Then the devil carried Jesus go to Jerusalem and make him turn up on the tallest part of God's house. If you are God boy pitney, the devil say, jump off of yourself, cause it right down say, God will tell his angel them to take good care of you, and that them will catch you, so you will not lick up your foot upon rock stone. Jesus answered him say, it right down say, not test the Lord where your God. After the devil don't try hard to make Jesus do wrong, him left him till him get one next chance. A God Wod Dis. Thank God.